can pull up, man. Pull it.
Yeah, members of the Ants Grow Fishing Group. Look at this, tilapia. Wow. There's a coffum there, right? Coffum. There you go, boy. Yeah, the staying game motor. What's it do? Good job. Yeah?
One beat.
One beat. Look at that. Yeah. Got a nice 10,000 word there.
Yeah.
The man lucky enough to give me a nice tap up. Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey. Thanks, man. What? Thanks, right?
Yeah.
Ants Grow Fishing Group. Fishing in Clonbrook. Alright? Thanks for watching the video. See you next video. Go on. Says see you in the next video.
See you next video.
There you go, brother. Yeah, take care. Thank you, man. I just washed the black tank at the back. It's raining. I'm wet. I have the hose here with water. And this is the fish on the bottom here that we get from those boys down here in the corner there. So we're going to wash these. The tilapia, this is the coffum, right? This is the coffum. We're going to wash these up, right? We're going to wash these up. And we also have some, what do you call this? From the other day, we have frozen butterfish and catfish. Not catfish, it's not catfish, right? This is bangameri, right? Bangameri and butterfish. So we have this here, it's tying off, and we have the fish here. So we'll line it up. You ready for the line it up here? Let me do one to so you guys can see. Right here, wash it up. And then we'll put it in here. Finish washing the fish. Here, this is tilapia, right? Right, Baba? This is tilapia.
The next one is loconani.
Coffum. And I was washing them, I noticed this fish. You have a close-up shot on this, Baba? Close-up shot on this, yes? This, as my cousin Judgy, right? Mama? Cousin Judgy said, this is a loconani. Wow. There's skeleton peacock birds, right?
Yes. Full enough color. When fresh, get enough color.
Yeah.
Enough color.
So ARD guys, this is a bauji, right? This is a bauji, alright? They have it, nice and fresh. So you line them up now. Very nice there, buddy. You're gonna line them up now. Cut the line and catch him. We'll lash this one for you, right? Now put this in it.
Put some inside the basin. Put some in the basin what you want to use.
Alright, we'll catch the same big one, right? Three. So we'll line them by the sail. And later you're gonna see us frying these fish, right? We're gonna season them too, right? You want me to season? Hey, what's my name? Devon. You remember you bring the pepper the other day?
Yeah.
Bring pepper, so you get guinea pig as well. You see the guinea pig?
Yeah.
Guinea pig, man. The man say you wanted 2,000, right? 2,000 guinea pig.
Yeah.
How much you want, buddy? 2,000, right? Alright, 2,000 you say give me for this guinea pig. In a full bucket. 3/4 bucket, right? So, now get 2,500, right?
Yeah.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Did I get it 2,500 there? Mom?
Yeah.
But what I want to do this, man, right? I want to sit down here and get with you, right?
I eat
and
out
taste
the-
out all the guinea pig. In case you taste somebody in the truth.
No.
Huh?
Yeah.
Now you bring the
Correct.
money. Then I want to collect the money.
Thank
So you got your 2,500 there, right?
Cut the video now.
Tell the camera thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Alright.
God
We'll
bless.
see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
You said God bless.
God bless.
Alright, thanks. So this is a fish. So we're gonna have it sit there for another few hours, already seasoning. Wait for frying. Alright? From the trench in the Canary.
What's up, Mom?
It looks crispy. May get thick flesh inside, yeah? Before me eat the fish, right? Let us want to tell you what the review. When I get tilapia or
Tilapia.
alright, let's let them see here. How it is?
Massive.
Massive. You hear the man, right? From the master. Massive. So are you gonna taste me or no, right? This is my portion. Let me get the review, eh? Mmm. Good one. First time in many years. Mmm. Yeah. All right. So all the foreigners, yeah, tasting real good, right? Fresh from the trench, in the canary, into the mouth, stomach. That's it. All right. So thank you for being with us. It has been a pleasure. It was really good. So it's a pleasure to be with you guys. You see the guys catching the fish. See we clean it, fillet some of them. Tastes really good. I want you guys to have a blessed evening. Have a productive evening. Most importantly, have a meaningful evening. All right? So good night until the next video. All right?